So here we're back again to my new video. My name is Windel Reyes. So for this video, we are answering some activities in chapter 8. I hope you enjoy answering my chapter 8 activities. So let's go to the first activity. And the title of this chapter 8 is Subnetting IP Networks. So let's go to the first activity. For this first activity, I think we will calculate the subnet mask of the binary going down to this is the first activity. So the title of this activity is calculate the subnet mask. This is the instruction. In this activity, you are given a subnet mask in decimal format. So this is the subnet mask 255. We have 3 255 subnet mask and 1 248. So if we add 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128, we will have a 255. So we will put 8, 1 in the 255. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this, the fourth one, we will, in the 248, we put 128, 64, 32, 16, and 8, and 0, 0, 4, 2, 1, 0 again. So for getting the prefix notation, we will count the number 1 in subnet mask in binary. So 8, 16, 24, 29. We have 29. We have 29 1. So let's put 29 in the prefix citation. So let's check it if it is correct. Yeah, I get the correct answer. You must see. This is so easy. So another one. New number. So that's the last one. We will 192. Okay, 128 plus 64 is 192. So 128 and 64 is 1, and the last 6 number is 0. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have a 8, 16, 24, 26, 1. And we will put to the prefix citation 26. And let's check. Yeah, we will get the correct answer. So that's the first activity, and let's go to the next activity. This is the next activity. Determine the number of bits to borrow. This is the instruction for this activity. In this activity, you are given the number of hosts that are needed to determine the subnet mask that would so for the number of hosts are specified. So this is the host needed, 250, the sample, and this is the 5 host needed. We will put this the 5 hosts needed that we will put some binary, decimal, and prefix citation, 25, 1000, 75, 10, and 500. So let's put the binary subnet mask. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third one, fourth, last is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we will put some decimal subnet mask. You must total this binary to get the decimal. 255.255.254. So the prefix is parang katulad din sa chapter sa first activity. You must count the number 1, and that's the prefix notation. So the prefix notation for this first is 27. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the third one is we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2, 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, let's put the decimal. 255.255.252.0. So let's count the number 1 again. We have 8, 16, 22, 1. So let's go to the 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go to the third. We put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. 0. So the decimal subnet mask is decimal subnet mask is putang ina. So, let's put the decimal to 55.255 to 55.128 because the last number for the is 128. So let's put the prefix notation. We have 25. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one is we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will put the decimal subnet mask. We have 255.240 and mask. We will count the number 1 again. We have 28 prefix notations. So let's go to the 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third. Sorry for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the last one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's get the decimal subnet mask of this last activity, the number 5255.255.254.0. So let's count again the number 1. So we have 8, 16 plus 7. We have 23 prefix notation. 23. So let's check if it is correct. Okay, we get the correct answer. We get the correct answer. So let's go to the next activity. So let's continue. This is the last, I think this is the last activity for chapter 8. So the activity name is practicing VLSM. So this is the part 1. So this is the instruction. Table 1 uses regular subnetting to accommodate the network shown. Table 2 uses VLSM to further subnet the network. So we must drag this number under the instruction over. So calculate 50 users per subnet. So let's put the answer for this activity. New subnet mask decimal. Let's drag 26, the first prefix notation. This is the third one. This is the fourth. So you can see the answer, and let's check if it is correct. New subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. First prefix notation is 26. First full subnet range is 192.163.0 to 192.168.5.63. The second full subnet range is 192.168.5.64 to 192.168.5.127, and the last full subnet range is 192.168.5.192 to 192.168.255. Let's check. Here we get the correct answer. So let's go to this table 1. First part 1 activities for calculate 50 users per subnet. So let's go to the figure 2 for this part 2 of the activity. Activity 2, part 2, practicing VLSM. This is the instruction. Table 2 uses VLSM to further subnet the network. Drag the addresses, so like that in the table 1. Use tables 1 seconds pool subnet range and VLSM to calculate the for 20 users per subnet. So we must answer this activity. So I think it's the first. This. The prefix station 27. This is the first. This is the last. Let's check. Here we get the correct answer for this activity. So table 2 is VLSM calculation. So that's the activity in chapter 8. Thank you for watching my video. So I'm sorry for some inconvenience and delay for my video because my cell phone is low bat. And thank you for watching my video. So that's all, guys.